Welcome to part 5 of our series, Introduction to OBD2 and Electronic Vehicle Diagnostics. In this episode, we're tackling a crucial step in the diagnostic process, defining faults. Reading a fault code is easy. Truly understanding what the code means, that's where the real skill begins. Because not all fault codes point directly to a broken part. Sometimes they're just the starting point of a deeper investigation. Defining circuit faults. Many faults can be defined by simple electrical failures of a sensor, actuator, or wiring. The word circuit in the fault code definition indicates that the fault is likely to be related to a signal problem caused by a fault in the sensor or actuator circuit. This is probably the most useful diagnostic information as it usually indicates positively the cause of the problem. Circuit fault types: circuit or circuit malfunction, circuit open, circuit high, circuit low, circuit range and performance, circuit intermittent. In the following examples, when we speak of the voltage at A, we mean the voltage between A and ground. So in this example, the control unit applies a voltage at A. The voltage at B will depend on the sensor impedance. If there's a break in the circuit, the control unit applies a voltage at A. The voltage at B will be 0. This is the physics definition of an open circuit. The control unit applies a voltage at A, and there is a jumper at C. The voltage at B will be the same as at point A. This is the same as the physics definition of a short circuit. Circuit, circuit high, and circuit low are definitions dependent on the system concerned, and should not be linked to open and short circuit definitions generally, as the actual definition will depend on whether the value is being measured on the supply or the ground side of the circuit. Definition: circuit. The voltage, frequency, or value of the sensor signal is incorrect due to an undefined fault. The sensor voltage could be out of normal range, constant value, or non-existent, or corrupt. There's a possible fault with the sensor or wiring, short open circuit, resistance, interference, etc. Definition: circuit low. The voltage, frequency, or value of the sensor signal is either 0, no signal, or the signal is lower than the minimum operating limit. Once again, possible fault with the sensor or the wiring, short or open circuit. Possible fault with the sensor or wiring. It is also possible that multiple sensors are feeding one system and one of the others is faulty. Definition: intermittent. The voltage, frequency, or value of the sensor signal is erratic, irregular, or unpredictable, most likely caused by faulty wiring or connections. It's also possible that internal sensor connections are faulty. Check signal using live data. System performance or circuit range fault. There are many instances where the electrical circuits and the signals are good, where the sensor is reading a value, but the sensor is not performing as expected. For example, the coolant temperature is expected to increase by an expected amount after cold start, but the actual increase is not as expected. Fault detection by logic. In some cases, when a sensor signal does not match an expected value, this can be regarded as implausible. In effect, the signal shouldn't happen under the existing conditions. Sensors may be considered in groups, and their collective output must make sense or be logical. For example, when the throttle is monitored by a throttle position sensor, if the control unit requests that the throttle should be fully open, and the throttle sensor indicates that the throttle has responded correctly, this would indicate correct operation. However, the control unit would then expect an increase in airflow.